Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper. As you read the title of this video, I am going to show you how to download Android KitKat 4.4.iso file. So what we are waiting for, let's get started. Go to the description of this video. Under the download link section, you will going to find my website link www.iammrhelper.com/how to download Android KitKat 4.4.iso file. Or link will be something like that. Click on it. After clicking on it, you will going to land on this page. Now kindly scroll down a little bit. Under my download link section, you will going to find Android KitKat 4.4 download link. Click on it. On the new tab, you will going to find a link of this ISO file Android-x86-4.4-r5.iso file. Click on this link to download Android KitKat 4.4.iso file. Now wait for 4-5 seconds. The download will begin automatically. So here it is. Click on OK to download it. I am going to skip downloading part because it doesn't make any sense to show you my download speed. So I will see you after my download complete. So my download completed. Let me go to the location where my file has been downloaded. So here it is, Android-x86-4.4-r5. It is exactly 441 MB file. Now you can mount it or make bootable of this ISO file and install it on your PC. If you want me to show you how to install Android KitKat on your PC, or how to install Android KitKat on VirtualBox, or how to install Android KitKat on VMware, or how to install Android KitKat on any virtual machine, then please let me know in comment box below. I will try my best to make a video on it also. So I hope you find this video informative. Click on like button to show me your support. Comment below if you having any questions regarding this video. I will try my best to help you. Share this video with your friends and family member, whoever you like to share. It is totally free. If I forget to mention something in this video, then I will going to add it in description box below. So always check the description. And at last, make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos like this, as well as press that bell button so that you get notified whenever I make new videos for you. And one more thing, please visit my website www.iammrhelper.com. Link is in description box below. All the social website links are in description box below, so kindly go and follow me there also. So that's all I have planned to show you in this video. So take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.